In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Firebase project from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and heading to firebase.google.com. You should see the official Firebase homepage with a clear call to action. In the top right corner, click either Get Started or Go to Console. Both lead to the Firebase console where you'll manage your projects, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it here. Make sure you use an account you'll keep access to, especially if this project is for a team or a long-term app. Once you're in the console, look for the option to add a new project. It might appear as a big button labeled Add Project or a plus icon near your project list. Click it to begin the setup process. You'll be asked to name your project. Choose a clear, unique name, often the same as your app or service. This name helps you and your team identify the project later. Keep in mind that Firebase also creates a project ID behind the scenes, which is used by various services, so a short, readable name can be helpful. When you're happy with the name, click Continue. Next, you'll decide whether to enable Google Analytics for your project. Turning it on gives you access to insights like user engagement and crash reports when you integrate Firebase services in your app. If you already have a Google Analytics account, you can link it. Otherwise, you can create a new one right here. If you're not sure yet, you can skip it for now and revisit it later. Just remember that enabling analytics early can provide valuable data as soon as users start interacting with your app. Review the settings, confirm the region if asked, and proceed. You'll then be prompted to accept Firebase terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them, especially if you're working under organizational policies or handling user data. Check the necessary boxes to agree and continue. Finally, click Create Project. Firebase will begin provisioning everything it needs in the background. This process usually takes a few moments. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it's done, you'll get a confirmation screen with a button to continue to your project. Once your project is ready, you'll land on the Firebase console dashboard. From here, you can add apps for iOS, Android, Web, or Unity, and later explore services like authentication, Firestore, storage, and more. That's it, a clean, reliable setup for your new Firebase project.